Hi friends, I am Sajid here. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'll be comparing the antutu benchmark score of the POCO X2 versus the POCO X3 device. So right now, recently the POCO has been launched with the next series of POCO X3 smartphone with a new Snapdragon processor. So the POCO X2 has the Snapdragon 730G, whereas the POCO X3 will be releasing with the Snapdragon 732G, as you can clearly see. So there is a little bit of difference between both the processors 730G and 732G. So in this video, I'll be just comparing the antutu benchmark score between both of these processors, POCO X2 and the POCO X3. So let's see how much the antutu score will be difference between the both of these phones. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru, and also do check the links in description for various phones playlist videos as well. So always check the links in description for in every video. So let's get started with the antutu benchmark test here. So right now I got the score in the POCO X2 smartphone. As you can see, the score is about 2,84,000, which I did one time, and next time I did 2,76,000. So this is a normal benchmark score we can get in the Snapdragon 730G processors. So in the 732G processor, the antutu score for this mobile phone is around above the 3 lakhs of the antutu benchmark score, as you can clearly see. So there is a huge difference between the 730G to the 732G. So as you can see, there is a close to 20 to 30,000 of antutu benchmark difference between both of this processor 732G and the 730G. So definitely there should be a significant increase in terms of the performance while playing the games. And the POCO X3 also has plenty of advantages than the POCO X2. So try to watch my other video which I mentioned clearly on the POCO X3. So what are the advantages? And 120Hz and 240Hz touch sampling rate. So and Snapdragon 732G, so which is also pretty good. So overall, all this kind of combination makes the phone perfect choice for the gamers. So they also included the liquid cooling system in this POCO X3 smartphone, which makes the phone a little bit cooler than before. So overall, this antutu benchmark score comparison, quick comparison between both of the smartphones, POCO X3. So once I get hands-on with the POCO X3, I'll try to compare plenty of videos between both of the phones in terms of testing battery, charging, camera, display, and various other tests which I'll be doing. So definitely make sure to subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru if you don't want to miss any of my videos. So if you have any doubts, do comment below. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.